everyone. So it is Love Week. It's Valentine's and Galentine's week, and we just thought it was a cute excuse to talk about date dresses. We're using date quite loosely. Yeah, it's basically doing something a little bit special.
Yeah.
It could be with your partner, it could be with your friends, it could be with yourself, it could be with your pet.
Yeah.
All of those apply. But I'd say something that you dress up a little bit for.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And so today we've worn something that is special, hopefully. We're like, we feel quite cute.
I think we are the smartest office in the block today.
Oh, yeah. For sure, right?
I mean, we are
For
every day, but
obviously
today
we're the most stylish, but
Yes.
today we're dressy as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're going to start with Chloe and that gorgeous maxi.
Yeah, so this is my Heidi dress, which I made like
Years ago
a
now.
couple of years ago. But it's still going strong.
Gorgeous.
Still fits.
Lovely.
Still love it. Bring it out. It's a maxi dress, so I think whenever I wear a longer dress, I always feel a little bit more dressy.
Yeah, I
feel
agree.
a bit more special. But it's also really comfortable. It fits really nice, and because it's a wrap, it doesn't feel too too fitted or too tight.
Yeah, true.
So and I think for my day,
where are you going?
Well, I haven't really got.
Or what
anything
have
planned.
you worn it for?
Well, I have worn this dress for going for drinks with my friends. We
There
did
you
a
go.
wine tasting.
Oh, that is
I felt
perfect
very
wine
fancy.
tasting.
I felt
outfit.
very fancy sitting on a stool.
Yes.
Like this, no wine.
I want to be home that
Coughing
day.
wine. What else? I did wear it over Christmas as well.
Nice.
Because it feels a bit fancier walking around the house.
Yeah.
My pink fluffy slippers.
Yeah, I love at Christmas. It's
Yeah.
always like super fancy slippers.
Slippers, yeah. So I thought I've got pink slippers, and it worked really well. So
Perfect.
yeah, and I felt very nice.
I love it. Absolutely love it. And Heidi comes with 2 more lengths?
There's a
Yeah.
knee length and then there's like a little top version.
Oh, there's a top that I
Yes.
always forget
I'm always
about.
tempted by that top.
So cute.
Yeah.
So cute. But yeah, I think it's effortless
Yeah.
elegance.
It's 70s,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it's
used
got
to
a lot
a lot.
more like sort of ruching here, and at the back there, it's got the gathers, so it just
So
feels a bit
pretty.
more like fancy.
Gorgeous. I love it, and I want to go on the wine tasting.
No.
date.
Yeah,
So
I
good.
recommend it. It's nice.
Yeah. Invite us next time. Yeah.
Yeah, please. We'll dress nice.
All the outfits.
Right, shall we move on to Rosie's gorgeousness? What is that? It's so pretty.
This is the Giselle dress, but obviously it has been hacked a little bit because that's what I like to do.
Yeah.
So it's just got long sleeves. I think I use the shift dress sleeve.
Oh, you just
to extend it
transfer
down.
them on.
Yeah. And it is short. I just
Yes.
chopped it off at a mini length because I love a little mini.
Really
And
cute.
then,
Oh, I love this.
Stunning.
In
The
the back.
shape of that is so nice.
which is like the pièce de résistance.
Yeah.
And I kind of forget about it when I'm wearing it. But then I'm
Gorgeous.
always
Yeah.
like, oh, yeah, that's nice.
It really elevates
Yeah.
it.
It really does. You filmed a little reel explaining what you did, so we'll put a link below because at the time when you did the hack, because it just changes the dress.
It really
like,
does.
a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. And it is definitely my go-to for going somewhere a bit nice.
Yes.
I was thinking about it, and it has been my go-to for going to the theatre.
Oh, there you go. See,
I
that's
think- The last 3 times I've been to the theatre, I've worn this because I'm one of those people that still dresses up to go to
same.
the theatre.
100%.
And I have thoughts about people that don't dress up to go to the theatre. 'Cause I think
Same.
it's a really special thing to do, and it's not an everyday thing to do. I love dressing up to the theatre.
Absolutely agree.
Yeah.
I'm so with you, and I think it's why not? Like, of course you don't have to, but like,
No.
what a better excuse?
Because you're usually in like a big, gorgeous building.
Yeah.
That's, like red and gold,
You
and
pay
this, then the other. And
20 quid for a drink. You might as well dress up.
Exactly.
Like, come on.
I want a fancy dress for my not fancy £20 glass of wine.
Exactly. No, but I totally agree. And I used to, not anymore, but I used to take myself on theatre dates a lot. When I first moved to London, because I think I was younger, so you got all the deals.
Yes.
You know, like
yeah.
under 25, cheap tickets. I used to go on that all the time. And I always dressed up. And I didn't even sew. But I was like, this is a sweet night. I'm just here by myself, but I'm loving it.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah. Yeah.
There is something
So
about the
it's
theatre.
my fancy pitch dress. And I was
Fabulous.
just saying before we started filming that I really want to make another one
Yes.
as well. Just because it fits into like an everyday wardrobe as well.
Yeah.
So it's always that, I feel like it was more in the 90s. Everything was like work to day to night. You have an outfit that takes you from day to night.
Yes.
And this is
it. This is it.
ultimate day to night.
And also you've done all the work on the pattern pieces
exactly.
to hack them, and the fit, everything is there.
It'll be so quick to do now.
Fabulous.
Did you line the bodice? Is that how you did the back?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Did you line it?
Yes, because the back. So instead, it would have to have like a facing
That's
or
what I
be
was just
bound.
thinking, yeah.
And binding a circle, I feel like it would be hard to keep it as neat. So yeah, it
No,
is
that's
fully lined.
genius.
Lovely. So that elevates it as
Even
well.
more
You
luxurious.
know that. Whenever I wear something that's got a lined bodice, I'm
I'm
like,
like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Valentine fancy.
Yeah.
It's true though. Love
but
it.
yes, my lovely
Amazing.
Giselle.
Beautiful.
Right,
And-
this is my Nancy, which you probably have seen before because I
Gorgeous.
made it ages ago and I wear it all the time because it's so comfortable.
Yes. And beautiful.
And sweet, I'm just doing this because it's just so swishy. It's got like these panels, you can barely see it, but it come out like that, and then it just gives it this volume in the skirt. But it's quite fitted at the neckline, and then at the back it's got a hook and eye, but I just swapped it to the
Love
the
that.
little ties, which
Very
is what I
cute.
always do. But again, I think it makes it a little bit prettier actually, just
Yeah.
for the detail.
Yes.
And yeah, I feel like this is your comfy date, your cinema date.
Yes.
Yeah.
Possibly. I actually am not really one to dress up for the theatre.
You're not.
No. But this
And you fit to the theatre more than everyone else.
well, we're all quite a theatre crew, but I love going to the theatre, but I like to be comfy, but maybe this is the perfect
Yes.
perfect combination.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's my Nancy, and it's made, this is viscose or maybe even a cotton lawn. It's really light, and then it's got like a dobby just to give it a little bit of interest. It's not totally plain.
I love that. Yeah, you've got the texture.
Exactly, a bit of
It's a
texture,
black dress,
exactly.
but you've got.
Yes,
and
a bit
then
extra.
it's slightly sheer, so I wear it with a slip underneath.
Oh, yeah.
But I like that because then you can just see it's a little bit sheer just at the very bottom.
Yes, I
Does
like
that make
that.
sense?
Yeah,
like where
I like
underneath
that.
where the slip finishes. So this is
So
my date Nancy.
I love it. I love that you both have little
Yeah,
ties at the back.
matching.
There's something so cute about that.
I know.
really
And it's
is.
not like a big in your face bow, which is also nice, but
Yeah.
sometimes you might not want that. It's just like, oh, little nod.
But also,
Cute.
I find hook and eye is really fiddly to sew, and I prefer
Yeah.
just sewing
Yeah.
ties. I actually think that makes it even easier.
I can't make a hook and I look neat.
No,
I
I know.
Like it
with
will
them.
stay on.
Yeah.
It'll be safe, but
This is my
Just be like-
favourite hack is to just put a tie on.
but how cute! And you're gonna have some fabric left over that you can definitely
Yeah.
master
It's
two
like
little
tiny
ties.
strip. Yeah, exactly.
So cute. Very
Amber, I
cute.
feel like you are.
I'm actually
Cupid.
Today I've come as Cupid. Okay, I am obsessed with this dress. This was one of our Hettie dress kits.
Yes.
We might have some
I
left.
think-
I'll link to the kits because
I can see two.
you can see too.
Time of filming.
Time of filming though, so go have a look. I just, as soon as the fabric came in for the
Yeah.
kits, I was like, mine, thank you.
I love it.
I love it so much. It's a cotton lawn, this one. So Hettie we've made in quite a few different
Yeah.
fabrics, but the cotton lawn makes it so cute because it's like,
Yeah.
so cute. This I will wear for Valentine's Day dinner, really. I feel like it's appropriate. And
Surely, if there's
It's-
one day.
if there's one day of the year where I don't look insane, but I think it's definitely Valentine's Day. And I do enjoy a very big dinner when I go out, and me and my other half are very much foodies, so there is always eating and a lot of it, and Hettie is perfect
Oh my God,
because
yeah.
there's all the room. But it's still, again, like
These-
Nancy, fitted here.
Yeah,
but
quite interesting to have these two side by side
Yeah.
actually, because they're kind of similar, but they've got
very
different
different
details.
but similar vibes.
Yeah, it's a short and
Yeah.
then loose skirt, kind of 60s vibe.
Yes, yeah, definitely.
And then we've got the difference in the neckline, and then yours is pulled in at the back by the
Yeah.
ties.
The volume's at the front a lot, isn't it? Whereas
Yes.
this is
But this is at the
Three
side.
sides.
Yeah,
The sides.
and then there's nothing to bring it in at the
That's
back.
true.
Yeah.
That's very true.
Okay.
But yeah, so good for dinners, big dinners. And I made, because I had some left, I made a matching beret, which is just, it's too much probably for most people. I love it. I love
Yeah.
a matching
That's such
accessory.
a thing.
Me into it.
Yeah. Oh, and it has pockets. pockets, I should have said. Am I the only one with pockets here?
Yeah.
So,
You totally could put pockets in the Heidi though, because you've got
Yeah,
the
you could.
You've got
side seams.
so much room as well.
Yeah,
like,
you've got loads of room, so you definitely
Very
could put
true.
them in. I can't remember if it has it, because I
No.
often leave them out. I know, I'm that
You hurt my
person.
soul. No, but I don't think it's in the pattern.
No.
But you could, for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
But if you haven't got pockets,
And Giselle.
What could you do?
we could have another matching accessory.
The
Do the bow bag.
Of course.
So true.
Oh, particularly
Adorable.
with that Heidi with the bow and the bow.
Yeah. That'd be
In the
pretty
same
cute.
fabric would just be like.
Yeah. Or you could do like contrasting, so just the bow would be in this.
Yes,
and it
I've
could be
seen
that
a few
look
people
nice.
have made that, which I really like. It's just the bow is a different colour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that.
And also maybe, which this is on my list. I need to find the right fabric, but like a metallic bow bag, because then it goes with everything.
Yes.
Like gold or silver,
Sure.
something like that.
That'd be
A
fun.
neutral.
That'd be so fun. A neutral, you know, an everyday gold or silver. But yes, matching accessories. I do think they make everything a little bit.
Yeah.
It's like a level
Special.
up of when you're making your own stuff. If you have
Exactly.
matching accessories, it's just like.
I did have someone ask me recently, like, how did you get your bag to match your trousers? Well,
Really? That's the question you've been waiting on.
yeah, I've been waiting with bated breath for someone to ask. Let me tell you about sewing.
Have you worn this combination out together?
I have not. No, I haven't. I
Okay.
haven't. So Valentine's
Day.
Yeah.
Perfect. I think last year I wore my Ava skirt with heart pockets.
Oh, yes.
So I'm known for
Heart
donning a
pockets.
heart
In the local
in
community.
the local community on my street. I'm the heart lady. But yeah, can we think of any other like different vibes for like weekend brunch with your friends for Galentine's Day? I mean,
think
all of this I would wear.
I'm going to throw the Estelle dress into the mix. I think it's a little bit like slinky. Obviously, it's jerseys. That's kind of a different vibe. But I think it would actually be good daytime.
Yeah,
Yes.
Saying brunch.
totally.
It's just super comfy, wearable, but a little bit special.
That's it. That was going to be my. I wasn't sure whether to wear this or
Estelle.
I've got an Estelle in. I've got a black one, obviously, but then I've got a red.
The
pink-
stripy
the
one.
stripy
Yeah.
one.
Oh,
So it's got
that's
gold in.
nice.
So
That's
it's like a little bit.
beautiful.
I don't know. The colour makes it because it's got gold in. It looks fancier, but because it's coloured, it looks more daytime as well.
Yeah.
But
I
yeah,
see that.
and super comfy jersey.
Very
So
good.
yeah, but also slinky. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tick tick tick.
That's the one.
I'm also gonna say if you're going for something, for example, like I'm thinking afternoon tea.
Ooh, nice.
Some of
Like
us,
high tea.
I know, high tea,
Yeah.
which you could, maybe with your
Yeah.
friends you could do that
Yeah.
for Galentine. I kind of want to do it now I've said it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But all our vintage dresses,
Yeah.
like Marguerite for high tea, how beautiful would
Adorable.
that be?
Gorgeous Betty, a classic
That's
lady
gorgeous,
dress.
classic Bessie, a viola,
Oh yeah.
because it has the shearing
She's got like
at the
tea
back.
dress vibes,
It
isn't
does.
it?
Thingy, it's gonna come to me, Leah,
Oh,
which
yeah.
is short sleeved, but you know, little cardi on top.
Yeah,
That's
cardi.
cute.
And I love the style of all of those with just like chucking a Sorrento, chucking the denim jacket on
Yeah.
top. Because then
not
it's like
too-
it's not too formal. It just brings it down
If
a
it's
notch. and
daytime
it's-
stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
Thinking of all the different ones I want to make.
I know, that's the thing. Also, I'm going to throw in, which is probably, so I am having a brunch with my friends for Galentine's Day, which is cute.
Lovely.
Or actually, Palentine's Day, because there's one guy.
Is it a fancy
Valentine.
lunch or like a
It's
casual?
just a casual brunch,
Okay.
but which we do a lot, but this one feels a bit more special. And I think I might wear one of my Pippa dresses, because that also feels quite easy to wear, but it's got
Something.
something
It's a bit of
fancy about
something.
it, yeah. And they're both my
Oh, I
Pippa
love your
dresses are
Pippa.
maxis.
Yeah,
So,
it feels
again,
fancy, right?
Maxi feels fancy, yeah. So that's what I'm thinking. We'll see when the day comes what else is gonna make it to the top of the list. But I kind of like Pippa. I feel really
Put
lovely
together.
in Pippa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's something about it that
That's
because
it.
it has the asymmetrical. We put pictures up for everything.
That's
But
I tell you what, sorry.
yeah.
Just thinking, because you can put heart buttons. But anyway, yeah, sorry.
speaking of heart buttons, I think we have
We've got some heart buttons.
We'll look to the heart button.
Yeah, this is the moment.
We're going to make 3
I
new
know.
outfits before the weekend. But as always, we hope that these kinds of videos inspire you, maybe to make something you've already got and you haven't got round to making it. Plenty of these are quick enough. Like, I'd say this one's the quickest probably here. You
Yeah.
reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hettie, you've got time to make it last minute before
Yeah.
I get. But we've got, all sorts. Complex to easy, you know.
Fancy to casual.
Yes, absolutely. And lots of different ideas that even just us just mentioning a pattern in the office, we're all like
Oh yeah.
look at that. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we'll be back again very, very soon.
Bye.
Bye.